Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll post a short video about Ford Fiesta MK7. That's the generation from 2008 to 2017. We'll show you where the fuel pump is located, if you need to get to it, replace it, check wires or anything like that, so you don't waste your time. We have a video on how to repair, guys, our second channel, how to replace the fuel pump, so check it out. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. Subscribe and let us know if you need anything. So we'll need to remove the rear seat, and we have two clips on the front side. You can see on this side and one on here. And once we remove them, I'll show you. Okay, check it out now. This clip, both of them go counterclockwise. Okay, loose like that. This one there as well. Now the seat has three clips. One in this corner, one in the middle, and one towards the end there. So you need to push towards the back and lift it up at the same time. Okay, just one of them is holding now, the middle one. Okay, came out. You need to get the seat belts out of the way. Okay, let us show you where all the hooks are now. You can see this hook, one over there, and one on this side. That's where they go. We're talking about these holders. Okay, just like that. So we got the seat out of the way now. So once you remove the seat, okay, that's where the fuel pump is located. So we need to open that rubber cap. You just pull it out, okay, just like that. So that's where the fuel pump is located. If you want to see the video, we'll have it on how to repair, guys. Please subscribe, guys, and thank you for watching.